Good morning, students. Today we have math lecture. We have started the fourth chapter, linear equation in two variables. In the last lecture, we have seen the definition of linear equation in two variables. A equation which have two variables, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Variables are x and y. Why they are called as a variable? Because their value is a variable, not a fixed value. Their value may change. If the value of x change, then value of y also change. Now we will see some basic concepts of linear equation in two variables. If we have to find x coordinate or x intercept, then we put y is equal to 0. Why we put y is equal to 0? To find x intercept. If we put x is equal to 0 to find y intercept, means if you have to find x intercept, put y is equal to 0. If we have to find y intercept, put x is equal to 0. Another basic thing is equation of x-axis. These are very important points. Equation of x-axis is y is equal to 0. Equation of y-axis is x is equal to 0. If the constant term is not present in the equation, then the line passes through the origin. Generally, if we draw the graph of this linear equation into variable, then we get a straight line. The graph of this is a straight line. If c is not present, then it is a straight line passing through origin. If the value of x and y both are positive or both are negative, then the line passes through first and third quadrant. If out of which either x or either y, one of them is negative, then the line passes through second and fourth quadrant. These basic things we know. Now see one figure. These are the axis, x-axis, this is y-axis, x dash, this is y dash. Now see the line. If the line is this is line L, it intercept y-axis at this point. We consider the coordinate of this point. X coordinate is 0, y coordinate is positive b. Now all the points on this line have one fixed point. Which one fixed point? The value of b. B is a fixed point. If the point is here, then its x intercept will change. Then y intercept is b. If the point is here, then x intercept changes, y intercept is b. If the point is here, now x intercept is minus term and y intercept is b. Which thing you observe in this graph? You observe that in this graph y intercept is fixed. Y intercept is fixed. As y intercept is fixed, the equation of this line we can consider as y is equal to b. If we have to introduce this line, then we say that equation of this line is, which intercept is fixed? B. B is the y-intercept. Therefore, we say that equation of the line, what is the equation of line is, which intercept is fixed? Y-intercept is fixed, hence y is equal to b, is the equation of given line. Now, if you draw the line below x-axis, If the line is below x-axis, then its y-intercept is, what is the y-intercept? Its y-intercept will be minus b. And at this point, x-intercept is 0. If we take the point here, then the value of x-intercept changes, y-intercept is fixed. If we take the point another, then again x-intercept interchange, y-intercept is fixed. Means we can say that equation of this line is, which point is fixed? Y is equal to minus b. Means equation of this line, equation of line is y is equal to minus b. Means you understand that if the line is parallel to x-axis, see, this is x-axis, both these lines, this line is L1, this is line L2. Both the lines are parallel to x-axis. If the equation of a line parallel to x-axis is y is equal to, we get plus also and minus also. Then we can say that equation of a line parallel to x-axis is y equal to plus or minus b. Now this is very important point. Equation of a line parallel to x-axis is y is equal to plus or minus b. Why we take plus or minus both the signs in consideration? Because if the point is negative, then the line is below the x-axis. If the point is positive, then the line is above the y-axis. This basic thing we get from this. Now, if the line is parallel to y-axis, जर हीच लाईन जर y-axisला पॅरलल राहिली असते, L3. If the line is parallel to y-axis, then what we get? If the line is parallel to y-axis, it may be in the LHS of the x-axis, LHS of y-axis or RHS of y-axis. If the point is positive, then the line is in the first quadrant. If one is negative and another is positive, then the line may be in the second and fourth quadrant. Now see what we have to do. Equation of a line parallel to x-axis is y is equal to plus or minus b. Another point is important point. Equation of a line parallel to y-axis is, equation of a line parallel to y-axis is x is equal to plus or minus m. Why I have taken plus or minus sign? Because if the point is positive, then it lies on the RHS of the y-axis. If the point is negative, then it lies in the LHS of a x-axis. These 2 points are very important. Now, another star is what we have to see. We have to see that now equation of x line parallel to x-axis is y is equal to 0. Equation of a line parallel to y-axis is x is equal to 0. Now we will take one very simple example. See, find the value of k. Find the value of k if x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3 is solution of solution of k plus 1x minus 2k plus 3y minus 1 is equal to 0. Now see, what we have to do, we have to find the value of k. If x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3, put the values of x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3 if it is present. 2k plus 3. The value of y is 3 minus 1. Now we have to solve this concentration with concentration. K into x, kx plus 1 into x, x minus 2 into 3, 6k minus and a plus minus 3 into 3, 9 minus 1 is equal to 0. That is kx plus x, 6k minus 9. We have to find the value of this. The value of x is 2. Put the value of x, 2k into 2 plus 2 minus 6k minus 9 minus 1 is equal to 0. That is k into 2, 2k plus 2 minus 6k minus 9 minus 1 minus 10 is equal to 0. 2k minus 6k minus 4k plus 2 minus 10, that is minus 8 is equal to 0. K is equal to 2. The value of k is 2. We have to find 2 or minus 2. Minus 4k is minus 8 is equal to 0. That is k is equal to minus 2. Now today we will stop here.